Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia with a new tutorial. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Nadula hair. This is the packaging that they sent me, and as always I will make sure to link all the information down below. They did send me a 4x4 closure wig, but this is a diamond lace fake scalp closure, meaning that you should not have to do anything to it. But if you want to make it look more natural, you can add makeup, but this is a fake scalp closure. So I'm just showing you guys how the unit looks fresh out of the packaging. They did send me a wig cap and a cute headband to throw on top. And I'm just gonna show you what the inside of this looks like. So here you have like the lace on the very front, and then you have like the customized lace on the inside, along with the 3 combs on the side and the back and an adjustable strap. So I'm just gonna wave this around a little bit and show you guys how it looks. This is a machine made wig, and yeah, if you have not already, if you made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I always forget to say that, but we're gonna get right into this. So my hair is already braided and I've already thrown a cap on my head. This is the hair straight out of the packaging. And what I'm gonna do, because it was a little bit staticky, I'm not sure if it's because of the packaging or this is how the hair is, I am going to brush it out and add a little bit of my Fanola serum on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some curls in this. I was gonna press it out, but it's 24 inches and I decided I wanted to do something different and just do like a messy curly look. So this is how it looks fresh out of the packaging. And I'm in here rocking with Taylor. She's in the corner while I'm shooting this video, so we were laughing and geeking the whole time. But this is my new space if you guys haven't seen it already. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and I'm gonna start to curl this. Once I'm done, I'm gonna adjust this with the 2 combs to make sure it's nice and snug. But while I was curling it, I didn't have the combs in just because I didn't wanna pull my hair too much or put too much tension on my hair by yanking the combs through my hair. So if you see it sliding, that's why. But towards the end, I'm going to adjust it. And we were in here rapping to Nicki Minaj and just having a good time vibing out. So I'm going to go ahead and start using my custom irons. If you guys have not already, I will link that down below as well for the website. You can sign up for my mailing list when they drop. Again, the pre-orders are all sold out. So again, this is a custom color 24-inch wig. This is a closure wig. Easy to wear, face scalp, so you really don't have to do too much to it besides either press it or curl it, just because sometimes when you get it shipped in the mail, it'll change its shape, and you just want to go back in and make sure that you correct that. You don't want any bumps or lumps in your hair. But I was feeling how this was looking in the front with like the loose wave look, so I decided to do some curls. It doesn't matter how you curl this, guys, because when you see the end result, you're going to understand why I did it the way I did. I'm just using my flat iron and throwing in some random curls, grabbing random pieces, not being too perfect because I want to create like a wavy, effortless look. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm doing these curls. I'm gonna let you guys watch. Like I said, I'm doing this lazy girl method, so I'm grabbing huge chunks. Anything that I miss, I'm just gonna go back in and recurl, as you can see here. And we're gonna do this to both sides and the back. And while I'm thinking about it, I usually don't do colored wigs that much. I prefer to do like a dark colored wig just because it's easier to blend. But I really did like this color blend with this blonde and this like warm coppery brown, like this, I don't even know, like mocha type of situation. It was giving me fall vibes and also summer spring vibes, which I thought was really cute. And it's appropriate for this time of year. Typically in the wintertime, I like to go darker and I like to go lighter with my wigs in the summertime. But I thought this was a nice transition only because it's October right now. And it is still dark, but it has just those couple pops of highlights. And a lot of times when you have colored units, I feel like a lot of times the color is really splotchy, to be honest, or not really well applied. And this color was spot on. Like I like the way they blended it and I like the way they did the highlights, as well as the shadow roots on top. So that way, if you don't want to do the full blonde and you're still new to color, it's not too overwhelming or too shocking, and you can work with it. So I really can appreciate that. and I thought this color looked really, really cute. I posted on my story, got a couple likes. Everybody was saying that they liked it on me, so I'm definitely gonna have to circle back around and throw this back on. But I was definitely feeling this color, and I like the color combination that they chose. I don't know if this is just how it comes or if it's how they made it or custom colored it, but great job for whoever did these colored units, because I am the pickiest when it comes to hair colored units. Just because hair color is the first thing I look at, and if it's not blended well, then I kind of feel like unless you curl it or do something crazy to it, a lot of times it won't look right, but not in this instant at all. So I'm going to finish curling this. I'm over here talking to Taylor, like I said, so we were just geeking. I was like, look, you can chill in here, but let me just throw my little wig on. And I'm just gonna finish curling this with a flat iron, running it through. I am using this on the setting for 30, and I'm just dragging it through. There are a couple flat iron marks that you can see in my hair, but again, that does not matter, only because I'm going to be, this is not the final style. You guys are gonna see what I'm gonna do in just a second. You're gonna be like, wow. So overall, to curl this entire unit, 24 inches, took me about, I wanna say 10 to 12 minutes, which isn't bad. I did grab huge sections, and then once I was done, I just ran my fingers through and sprayed with a little bit of the BioSilk Natural Hold, and I applied just a little bit more of that Fanola oil just to give it a nice finish and shine, and to make sure everything is nice and even. So I'm almost done curling her. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second how I style it. Okay, so I cut straight to the end just because I didn't want to bore you guys to death, but you got the gist of how I curled this. So now I'm just going in and running my fingers through, and I'm going to keep manipulating this and teasing this until I feel like it's doing what I want it to do. And this is the look I was going for, just like a really effortless, I woke up like this, day-old curl type of look. I don't like super curly units when they're long, just because I want the length to show, but I also want it to look cute, and I wanted to bring out this color a bit. In the future, I probably will layer this in the front, but because it's 24 inches, I wanted to show you guys true to length and how full it was. I will also add the density and everything down below, and I will also attach a picture of how this unit looks on their website. It's pretty spot on, I will say that. They do have this in a closure version and a frontal version. I got the closure version, but definitely with the frontal version, you can tweak it a little bit more. And this is pretty much how I'm going to play around with this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to Nadula Hair. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if I can talk. Goodness. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.